So welcome to this new video series. In this new video series, I'll teach you about Python programming. So first, we will learn the basics, and later on we will extend this video series to more cool stuff in Python, like Python turtle module to draw some design and fractals. We will make some projects, and maybe we'll solve some coding problems as well. But first, we have to set up Python in our system. The way to do it in my system is like I'm using Artix Linux, which uses pacman as its package manager. So we have this command sudo pacman, and this capital S, which stand for sync, I guess, and it is used to update and install things, and the thing which we want to install, like in our case, Python. I'm also going to install a text editor. I'll go with Sublime Text, but you can install any text editor of your choice. Enter the password, say yes, and we are all done.